There are very few places left on Earth where nature is truly allowed to run wild. This is one of them. Deep in the Amazon, something stirs beneath the water. Something huge, something ancient, something that has been hunting the same way for hundreds of millions of years. It's a serpent, larger than anything humanity has ever seen. But what if this monster never stopped evolving? What if it grew bigger and more vicious? What if it became the ultimate ruler of land and water? This is the terrifying truth of the green anaconda. Anaconda today can reach 9 meters and weigh hundreds of kilos. But if evolution had pushed it further, we might be talking about a 20-meter beast weighing over 1.5 tons. With crushing power capable of snapping bones and stopping hearts, this predator could strangle an elephant in minutes or drag an entire cow beneath the river's surface. It would rule the swamps and rivers, the jungles and plains, the very heart of the Amazon. But that's not all. Stronger heat sensors make it an almost perfect hunter. Its prey can't escape its gaze. Giant lungs let it stay underwater for over an hour, and thickened scales protect it against claws, teeth, even bullets. And in the swamps and rivers, it would reign supreme. Crocodiles, capybaras, even jaguars would fall prey to this living leviathan. Jaguars would need to be twice their size to take this thing on. And even then, they wouldn't stand a chance. Its presence would rewrite the food chain. Other predators would fade, and new defenses might evolve. Armored hides or deadly venoms just to survive its dominance. For humans, life near the rivers would be pure fear. Villagers would vanish overnight. It might become a dangerous trade, a real-world dragon myth. You might think a dragon. What if evolution never stopped? The anaconda could have become the greatest predator Earth has ever known. Ruler of the swamps, shadow of the jungle, humanity's living nightmare. This is the incredible, terrifying world of the green anaconda. So what do you think? Leave it in the comments below.